Hi, hello everyone. This is Suresh Gupta from Hyderabad, and I am an investor for more than a decade in the stock market. And I always look for a strong fundamental companies which generate compounded annual growth with a strong management. As well, I look for IPOs which are very good in their individual industries. So today I came out with a presentation on Vijaya Diagnostics, and Vijaya Diagnostic name itself suggests that it is into diagnostic industry, healthcare industry. What makes myself more interested to this Vijaya Diagnostics is it is a Hyderabadi company. I am also Hyderabadi based, uh, so that is where I am interested to apply, more interested. But before that, let's look at the key metrics of Vijaya Diagnostic, whether to invest or not. So before going into more financial and performance related information, let's look at the issue open dates. It is going to be open on September 1st, that is next week Wednesday, and going to close on 3rd September, and it is going to be listed on September 14th. Okay. Now look at the pricing details. It is each share is being priced around 522 to 530 rupees, and the market lot is 28 share. So this is a basic information which is available, where everyone has to look at it. So let's look at the key metrics whether to invest or not. See, I have made a separate chart for the financial track record. Just a visual representation will go. This is a blue indicate FI19, orange indicate 20, and 21 ash color. So if you look at the total assets, it is going from 4,000, 5,000, and 6,000 range. Revenues also going in 3,000. It is in million rupees. Profit before tax also growing, and profit after tax also is going. But the one thing it is clear that even COVID also helped more revenues, and it is visible in all the metrics. So this is a visual representation. But if you see the figures, see the total assets for one can look at to these metrics. I just plotted a visual representation. So operating margin is 21, more than 21%, or maybe I can say 20% average for past 3 years. Now look at South region part of the India. Why? Because Vijaya is more centered in Hyderabad and Telangana, Andhra. And how do we validate whether it is creating a major chunk of profits in this region or not? See, I have listed Vijaya, Metropolis, or Thyrocare, Dr. Lalapatla, which is a multi-state diagnostic chain. If you look at the revenues, I don't want to go to the individual values, but you see these revenues, 97% is coming from the south region itself. But after that, 26%, and from Metropolis, Thyrocare, 26%. But despite that, it has a strong presence in the south region. It is clear. But now let's look at the operating income per patient. It is clearly visible that Vijaya has the highest operating income from per patient. On an average, it is getting 1200 rupees from each patient, and the profits are above per person 470 rupees. And after that, next is Metropolis, 850 average per person they are getting, and 218 is the profit. And if you see the uh, chains which are all over India, Dr. Patalab and Theracare, see this. And if you look at this metrics, it is clear that Vijaya has the highest revenue per patient, and clearly indicates huge customer retention. Now let's go to another metrics, key financial ratios. So out of, if you look at this, I always look for the margin, because margin is the most simple and easily understandable to any common man. And as I belong to businessman, I look into operating margin first. I don't go into all ratios because those are very confusing. Because more margin, more power of buying, and more expansion scope, and they can easily pay any loans or any issues in future. If you look at this chart, I have listed out all the Dr. Patala, Metropolis, Thyrocare, Vijaya. See this, Metropolis has a 51%, Vijaya has a 60% gross margin. And next, then I look at is return on capital employed, because this is all derived from the gross margin. See, if you look at the Metropolis also has a 40% return on capital, and 60 30% in for Vijaya. So definitely it is coming derived from the gross margin. So this also makes interesting. Vijaya has a 30% return on capital. And after this, one more metric I thought of mentioning is the technology metrics. If you, this is the major, services provided by most of the diagnostics, and see Vijaya, Thyrocare, SRL, and Metropolis, and Dr. Lagal. If you look at this, all the list below, it is clearly visible that Vijay has a more technological adoption compared to rest of the diagnostics. So one more valid point to consider here. And the next thing is business model. All latest diagnostic franchises have a same model. As per my observation, one major flagship center or major laboratory. Either this has a two business model. One is a flagship center, and another is a hubs or spokes, whatever you say. See, these hubs and spokes act like just a collection center. Okay, collection centers means like they take blood samples or urine samples, and not nothing. That's it. And these collection centers, they are just like a collection centers, and these will be sent to national laboratory where all any test can be performed. In reference laboratory, all tests can be performed, or but only thing is flagship center has a capability to do all tests compared to hubs and scope. So hubs and scopes, spokes are more or like franchises, you can say. So they collect collection center. The samples are collected from each hub and scope and sent to national reference laboratory, and the diagnostic results are sent to the individual customer on email or whatever the way they want. So if you look at the assets, see flagship center 1, hub centers 20. So this is a general other like another diagnostic franchise model. So next thing is why should you buy, or what is the major focus points to consider whether to invest or not. It is a fully packed one-stop solution, and it is visible in the previous slides. One more, the most strongest point is it has a presence in 4 decades, and very strong presence in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, definitely it is going fast in South India. And but how do we validate whether it is definitely strong experience in this industry is by, it has got more than 10 excellence awards, and I have gone to their website to see. And this is clearly shows that they have a strong foothold in the diagnostic industry. And one more interesting fact is this is a CRISIL research report. It is estimated to healthcare and diagnostics industry to grow at 13 to 15%, which makes very valid point for any investor to look out. So this is major valid points I am looking into. The next slide, these are other key metrics which are, yeah, definitely whatever I mentioned previously, it's a consolidation. But what I can say is most of the revenues are from South Indian part, and I can definitely say that it has a strong experience and makes it uh, more focused for increasing franchise model, and can be considered for a growth oriented company because it is a family managed company. Next conclusion is I am applying for this IPO because I know this company. I have been using I have been to Vijay Diagnostic Center for several times. I know their technological part, and I have seen their customer service. This is my genuine representation. I'm going to apply for that. But one more aspect to consider here is if anyone looking for a listing gains, I don't know whether you can get, because definitely there will be some listing gains considering. But despite, because what I sense is during recent huge rush in IPOs, I sense listing gains going less by less. So if anybody looking for the long term investment can look for buying into it. And this is one more valid point. And also it has a lot of insurance tie-ups, so that is one more valid point. Plus it has a 4 decades of experience with a huge customer retention, can be considered as one of the top 5 or top 3 diagnostics chains in Telangana and Andhra. Yeah, thank you friends, this is all about my findings. See, investing has to be done by individual. It has to come from inside. If anyone want to more information, you can contact me, or you can study Red Hiring Prospectus available in SEBI portal. So thank you very much, friends. Yeah, one important point. Please subscribe to my channel. That will encourage me to make more videos and help budding investors like me, because this is my, I do it out of my passion. Thank you very much.